So what are you gonna do?
I don't know. I don't want to move. Like, we'll be more dry.
We are floating.
We are floating. It's like waves. Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
I hate you.
This is us in our tent. We're floating. It's wet.
Is it like this everywhere else?
Yep. Here's an example of our tent that is being drained.
It sounds like it's getting lighter.
We're wet.
I just got rain on again. Like, it sounds like it's lightening up.
Why don't we just like lay? Like we can lay down on my air mattress.
And then float
No.
away. That's a good plan, Laura. Oh.
Survival of the fittest. Currently eating dry pasta and marshmallows.